Hey guys, Christy here with Editor Creations and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to do a review of SaveClub. So if you're watching this video, then chances are that somebody has reached out to you and shared it with you and you're considering joining SaveClub as a member, an affiliate, or both. So I'm going to walk you through some of this. So this is a brand new company that just launched on June 1st. So it's super hot right now, and if you haven't joined already, then I am going to leave the link down below for you. And when you do that, when you decide to join, I am going to hook you up with some training and resources, and I'll send that out to your email address once you've joined, and that's just going to help you to kickstart your business. But first of all, SaveClub is a membership club. Okay, so you can sign up for it either monthly or yearly. And I pay for the yearly just because then you don't have to think about it for the rest of the year. And you also get additional perks in the compensation plan. But that's for another day. Now, the reason why SaveClub is unique and why I think it's just absolutely going to explode in 2025 and beyond is the fact that it's a product that offers to help people save money. I mean, who doesn't need that right now? There's no physical products to worry about. There's no auto ships or any of that kind of stuff. Everything is just digital, right? And the way you make money is basically you just refer people to SaveClub and get them enrolled and help them to enroll people as well. So I'm going to show you what you actually get when you join SaveClub. Actually, I'm going to go here. All right, so this is a portal to exclusive savings that you're going to get access to. And the way you get to this page is you're going to go to your home page, and then you'll see where it says My Deals here, and then you're going to click on that, and that is going to open up the portal for you. Once you're inside, you're going to have access to these exclusive deals. This is the site you're going to come to, and then all you have to do is just search deals by your area. It'll always have some specials and things that are happening right now, like with the summer coming up. I'm in California, so there's a lot of people that like to go to Disney World or Disneyland and different theme parks. So you'll see things like that. But once you go up here, all you have to do, you can just type in your city, where it is you're going to be staying maybe for vacation, and then you can just look up the deals just like this. So then you'll see hundreds of savings on all kinds of things that are going to come up. Now, what's incredible about this is that it is global, right? I put an area Half Moon Bay, which is where we stayed recently. But you could also put in, let's say, Vancouver in Canada, right? We can try that. And then same thing, it's going to come up with all the deals that are in that area. So no matter where you live in the world, there are going to be deals, and that's going to vary according to where you live. But like I said, when you do that, it's going to come up with all these deals here. Now, it's going to be easier to find what you're looking for if you go here to the left where you can filter it, right? So you have all different categories. There's automotive, business and office, car rental, condos and resorts, cruises and tours, dining and food, entertainment and recreation, golf, if you like golf, especially people in Florida, health and wellness, home and garden, hotels, movies, services, shopping, travel, so you could just pick any of these. Let's just say automotive, and then it will break it down and filter it down for you so you don't have thousands, right? And then you could break it down even further. Maybe you're just looking for auto repair or car wash and so on. And you can see all the different deals that come up here. 15% off, $10 off, $20, $100, and just, find what you're looking for there. So this is awesome because you're promoting a product that allows people to save money, which is something everyone needs right now in this economy. Now, the membership go over here. It is $19.97 a month, okay? And it's going to quickly pay for itself. And right here, this is a very conservative potential savings per user of just over $1,600 per year. And when you add up things like dining and food, shopping and retail, auto, different services, theme parks, hotel, car rental, and then some, you know, it's going to quickly add up. And so it's more than going to pay for itself. The great thing about it also is you're not asking people to change anything, right? This is stuff people are already spending money on, everyday expenses, so they don't have to change any of their buying habits. And let's say if you go under health and wellness, you can see all the different like subcategories, I like to call them. So cosmetics and skincare, day spa, dental, hearing, massage, medical, salon, vision, weight management. So, I mean, it is insane the number of things that people can save on. Literally everything you can spend money on, you can save with SaveClub. Now, there is an app coming out very soon. I think in the most recent call, they said they were shooting for July. But that's going to make it even easier to save. There's going to be cashback rewards. So there's a lot coming in the pipeline. And I have no doubt that this is going to absolutely explode. And if you know anything about this style of company, you want to get in as quickly as possible because you're going to be able to make money off not only your own people that you refer, but also you can make money from spillover when the matrix gets filled up. Now, there's obviously no guarantee of income, and this is for educational purposes only, but the potential is just incredible. And I actually did a separate video that goes into the SaveClub compensation plan. So I'll leave that link below as well, and you can be sure to check that out if you want to get more details. So anyhow, if you want more information, you want to get started, you know, you're like, okay, this sounds good, I'm ready to go, then I will leave my link down below this video for you to do that. Simply click. Now I'll show you what the landing page looks like. And you'll simply click here on the landing page and you'll watch this video. It's about a 6-minute video, but it gives a really good overview on how everything works. So you'll learn how you can not only save money, but how you're able to make money as well. Look, opportunities like this just don't come around often. They really don't, especially being able to get in right from the start, basically ground floor. We're less than 10,000 people right now, and being able to have a product that you can promote that literally saves you money on basically everything. So you can save on your home insurance, on your car insurance, theme parks like Disney, with big brand names. You know, we saw all these different brand names that you can save on. And so I highly recommend joining this company because it's a no-brainer. There's very few companies that come around like this that offer you such an incredible product and a way for you to earn money from people signing under you. So again, I'll leave my link below so you can get started. Sign up for a free account. It's really simple. Go in there, and then there's going to be a pop-up where you are going to pay for your membership so that you can start saving money on everyday purchases. Again, I'll have that link down below for you in the description. And if you've already joined SaveClub, let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. And of course, if you have any questions, leave them down there as well. And please, if you like this video or found it helpful, then give it a thumbs up. And if you've made it this far into the video, then just comment the word SaveClub down below so I know that you watched it until the end. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.